and getting close to your support and resistance zone, you now start seeing the reaction this way. Just mark it out. This is a reversal pattern. What are you waiting for? Bam, 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 enter. You understand? That is what they are drawing there for you. It's just a reversal pattern. It is acting on a support zone. But that does not give it 100% assurance that it must hold. And that's why when it's forming, you don't just jump into the market because you don't know where it's ending until when you see a perfect break of structure. After you draw this your trend, the market now break above, come to that your trend. When you come to that your trend, what I tell my students most of the time, you know this head that hits your support zone, there is a shoulder beside it. That shoulder beside it is what is you are picking. Then forget about this structure and draft out this shoulder I talked about. You will see something like this. Head and inverted head and shoulder, which is a bullish sign. You understand what I just did? This one is already telling you that the market is already gaining momentum. So market was falling like water, and later when water wants to finish from top, you go there when it full, go there when you want to finish, you go there reduce the pressure. That is what is happening. It was dumping and started reducing pressure the way it was dumping. Then what happened here? Whenever the market break this structure, just you see the previous dump hit before the one that hits the support zone, before the pullback. You know, this is the first pullback where the market started pulling, like when you gain the momentum and pull back and break above. The nearest one, the nearest hit beside it, mark that area out, draft it out, you will see something like this. That is the structure you see there. This one did not tell you where the market will reverse from, but this one have already shown you the market is about to reverse. Then when you come back to retest it, this retesting, that is why check my BTC analysis. You see, most of my BTC analysis, BTC always form these patterns. When you check it, I always look for shoulder. Why am I looking for the shoulder? A lot of people will enter it at this top, which is where it broke the structure. But I enter it at the bottom. Why? I'm trying to be closer to my stop loss so that I will not be risking harm. And most of the time, you see the wick coming. And that is what happened in the SRP signal I gave. Some of you knew about it. The SRP signal I gave, what happened? The market did not now come to the shoulder. The market stopped around here. Very small. You were there. I had to enter CMP when I saw it. And that's why I say, if you are taking this strategy, some of the time, the market might neglect you. But what will you do if the market is neglecting you? If you are watching and you now see that market is kind of showing a pullback without hitting you, go to a very low time frame, check for the reversal. You will see another reversal pattern there. You enter. We did it on USD JPY yesterday. That's how we traded it yesterday. You cannot just be watching your trade on just one time frame like that. Sometimes the movement, check other time frame. Sometimes you might be looking at it on one time frame, when another time frame, the markets have already formed another structure, showing you that this might not hold it to, it might go below. Maybe you now start seeing something like M pattern here. Why will you be hoping that it will hold? Most of the time it will not hold again, because M pattern is showing you the continuous downfall. That means this position is 50-50, whether it will hold or not. So in this kind of situation, we now still jump CMP to enter it. For those of you that don't know the meaning of CMP, current market price. If you are entering your trade, some of the time I say buy limit, sell limit. Those of you trading crypto, you see limit there. That limit is either a buy limit. If you click a buy, it is a buy limit. I think we are coming to the end, safe. If you click a buy, that means it's a buy limit. If you click a sell, that means it's a sell limit. But there's a one you will see they wrote it market only. That's CMP, current market price. that one will place the trade, the actual place that the market is already ticking exactly. Once you press buy, the market will buy at the current market price. If you click sell, the market will sell at the same place. So when you see a pattern forming here, will you not enter just market anyhow? You wait. That is just what he's telling us. We will stop here for today. It's not about jam packing us.